Welcome to our cooking show, where we explore delicious and healthy alternatives for those with specific dietary needs. Today's episode focuses on preparing scrumptious meals for individuals managing diabetes and other health conditions that warrant low-fat options. Our goal is to educate and inform you about the importance of incorporating nutritious ingredients that cater to your well-being. From mouth-watering salads to flavorsome entrees, our expert chefs have curated a range of recipes just for you. So, whether you're a novice or an experienced home cook, get ready to embark on a culinary journey that is both satisfying and health-conscious. Let's dive in and discover a whole new world of nourishing flavors that will leave you feeling inspired and empowered. Join us on this exciting adventure as we unlock the secrets of cooking for a healthier you.
Grilled lemon herb chicken. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges for serving, optional, chopped fresh herbs for garnish, such as parsley or chives. Instructions: in a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, oregano, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper to create the marinade. Place the chicken breasts in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them. Make sure the chicken is well coated. Cover the dish and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to infuse. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and let any excess drip off. Discard the used marinade. Grill the chicken breasts for about 6-8 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and the chicken is no longer pink in the center. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Optionally, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the grilled chicken and garnish with chopped fresh herbs. Serve the grilled lemon herb chicken with your favorite side dishes, such as steamed vegetables or a light salad. Enjoy your delicious and low-fat meal. For more videos, please click subscribe, like and share buttons. Thank you for watching.